Alright, this is our custom Trail Boss Z71 package on it. So it's going to come with your 2-inch lift kit. You got your blacked out wheels, black door handles, and then if we look at the Z71 badging on the hood, blacked out grille with the Chevrolet Z71 badging, front red tow hooks. This does have a remote start feature on the key fob here, as well as keyless entry. You look here on the inside. Basic steering wheel, Z71 package gives you tow mode, 4 high, 4 low, and 2 high. Bed lamp. Here's your climate control functions, tailgate function, hill assist, LCD backup camera here. You can either use your center seat there for your bench seating or for extra storage and an armrest, as well as cup holders. Crew cab configuration. So you got lots of space here in the back. As you can see, seats do fold up for extra cargo. Or you can push these seats down for your passenger seating in the back. Heating and AC vents for back seat comfort. All-weather mats in the back as well as the front. Then you do have your remote tailgate release, slow release tailgate, Trail Boss badging on the back end of your bed here. And then, like all Chevy Silverados, you're going to have your easy lift kit for easy open and closing. Looks like you got your blacked out bumper here on the back as well for your custom look. Dual exhaust with chrome tips and trailer receiver. This one's going to MSRP for about $46 with great rebates, including $1,000 for Costco members. Come see us at 8300 Shawnee Mission Parkway at Hendrick Chevrolet, Kansas City's only Chevrolet Silverado Truck Center. My name's Tim Bowers. I look forward to seeing you here to test drive this or any of our great Chevrolet Silverado inventory. Thank you.